Richfields Corp Ltd, established in 2000 in Chaotu Town, known as the China Environmental Packaging Town. Richfields Corp Ltd is an export-oriented manufacturing enterprise integrating plastic mold development, product design, manufacturing, and sales. With a 22,000 square meter production facility, the company supports high-quality manufacturing demands.
Richfields Corporation Ltd is a professional plastic mold maker and injection molding company. We have been operating for 25 years since year 2000 until today. At present, we have our own in-house tool shop. We have 70 injection molding machines ranging from 60 tons to 5,000 tons injection machines. And we also have in-house painting, assembly, and a full turnkey product assembly line. For 25 years, we have been producing parts for automotive, medical, and most recently, we are doing a lot of new energy items. One of our biggest strengths is manufacturing large-size plastic injection parts. As a matter of fact, we have a 5,000 tons injection machine from BORCHE Machinery. By the way, BORCHE Machinery is one of the best injection machines in China. We have this 5,000 tons injection machine to produce parts for automotive and new energy items. These 5,000 machines is one of a kind and can only be, if I'm not mistaken, we are the only one to have this machine in the whole Guangdong province. And by the way, with this large size machine, we were able to inject up to 50 kilogram in shot weight and up to 2.5 meter in part size. So if you're looking for large size molding, Richfields is the place that you can visit.
The strong partnership between BORCHE BU5000-V and Richfields Corp Ltd will continue to lead the way in intelligent injection molding. Together, they are creating a new chapter of efficient and intelligent manufacturing.